For 2025, Kia has added a handsome-looking compact sedan to the lineup to replace Forte. The new sedan is larger, sportier-looking, and features new features. So let's look at 10 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Kia K4. Better looking. This sporty sedan replaces the Kia Forte, offering fresh looks and some exciting upgrades. The K4 GT line, the sportier version, rocks 18-inch wheels and other cool trim that screams performance. The K4's design is definitely eye-catching. The roofline slopes down in the back, kind of like a sports car, and the wide fenders give it a muscular look. Kia calls this design approach twist logic, which basically means they took a boxy shape and played with it to create something unique and modern. But enough about fancy names. Let's talk about what this car really looks like. The sedan is a four-door with a sleek sloping roofline. This is different from the outgoing Forte, which had a more traditional boxy shape. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the K4 offers a twin of engine choices, depending on the trim you pick. The base trims borrow the same setup from the Forte, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine making 147 horsepower. This engine pairs with a continuously variable automatic transmission, which can smoothly adjust gears for better fuel economy. If you crave more power, there's the GT line turbo. This sporty version has a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, similar to the old Forte GT. But here's the twist. This engine makes 190 horsepower, which is actually 11 horsepower less than the previous Forte GT. Kia also swapped out the old manual and fancy dual-clutch transmissions for a more traditional 8-speed automatic. GT line and GT line turbo. The GT line gets a sporty makeover inside and out. On the outside, look for fancy black accents everywhere, from the mirror caps to the window trims. It also rides on stylish 18-inch wheels that are specially designed to be quiet, perfect for cruising on the highway. Even the steering wheel gets a sportier 3-spoke design. They must have thought of everything. Opt for the GT line turbo. It gets all the GT line goodies plus some serious upgrades. The headlights get a special cube LED design, and fog lights are included too. But the biggest difference is underneath the car. The GT line turbo gets a special multi-link rear suspension that's tuned for sharper handling, making those corners a breeze. Cabin design. Stepping inside the K4, you'll find a cabin that's both stylish and functional. Kia went for a clean and clutter-free design, with a sleek dashboard that flows horizontally. This creates a sense of spaciousness. And it's really spacious than its Forte siblings. Thankfully, they didn't get rid of all the buttons. While there's a big infotainment screen, Kia wisely kept physical controls for climate and audio, making them easy to find and use without taking your eyes off the road. The sedan's steering wheel is unique and sporty. It has a cool design, and the Kia logo is positioned off-center, making it feel more exciting than the usual Kia wheels. For those who love sun and fresh air, some trims offer a massive panoramic sunroof, giving the whole cabin a bright and airy feel. Cabin comfort. Even though the K4 is a sporty sedan, Kia didn't forget about passenger comfort. This car is actually a bit bigger than the Kia Forte it replaces. It's grown by nearly 3 inches in length and 2 inches wider, which translates to more space inside. The more, the merrier. Kia says rear seat passengers will especially appreciate the extra legroom. In fact, they claim the sedan has best-in-class rear headroom, so even tall friends can ride comfortably in the back. No more grumbling from Tall Sam about how they no longer make cars tall enough for them. Some trims even offer heated and ventilated front seats, perfect for keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Driving experience. This sporty sedan goes beyond just good looks because it's also built to deliver an engaging driving experience. Hit the corners with confidence thanks to the K4's sport-tuned suspension. This setup provides sharp handling and a precise feel for the road, keeping you in control and connected to every twist and turn. Some trims offer an available acoustic windshield that significantly reduces cabin noise, ensuring a peaceful journey. No more competing with engine roar or road noise, just pure driving pleasure. And let's not forget the power under the hood. The car boasts an impressive engine that's ready for anything. Need to zip through city streets? The sedan delivers crisp acceleration. Craving a weekend adventure on winding mountain roads? The car handles them with confidence, offering smooth and responsive power delivery. Kia describes this engine as perfectly balancing impressive acceleration and smooth handling, making every drive feel exciting. Cargo capacity. While the all-new K4 shines with its sporty handling and exciting driving experience, cargo space isn't its biggest strength. A Kia can't have the best of everything. With 14.6 cubic feet of trunk space, it's on the smaller side compared to some competitors. This might be a deal-breaker for those who prioritize hauling a lot of stuff. If you regularly need to transport large items or luggage for a big family, this car might not be the most practical choice. Infotainment and Tech. Upgrade your ride to the next level of tech with the Kia K4's higher trims. Buckle up for a cockpit loaded with screens. We're talking about a massive 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster that keeps all your driving information clear, while a matching 12.3-inch central touchscreen takes care of your infotainment needs. On top of that, a smaller 5.0-inch screen lets you control the climate settings without diving into menus. Standard wireless smartphone mirroring lets you connect your phone seamlessly, while available options like a Harman Kardon sound system and a digital key, use your phone to unlock the car, elevate your driving experience. Plus, a suite of driver assistance features keeps you safe on the road. Looking for an even more immersive experience? Opt for the available Bose premium audio system for crystal clear sound. And if you crave complete peace of mind when parking, the 360-degree surround view monitor provides a bird's-eye view of your surroundings, making tight spots a breeze. Safety. The sedan prioritizes your safety on every drive. Standard on all models is a suite of driver assistance features, which act as your extra set of eyes and help you avoid potential hazards. Some trims offer even more advanced technology, including an evasive steering assist that can help you maneuver around unexpected obstacles, and a more sophisticated adaptive cruise control system with lane centering that keeps you centered in your lane during highway commutes. With these features in place, the K4 is expected to surpass the outgoing Forte's 4-star National Highway Traffic Safety Administration safety rating, giving you peace of mind behind the wheel. Availability and pricing. Hitting the road this fall, the all-new K4 is expected to be a wallet-friendly option for drivers seeking a sporty sedan. While Kia hasn't revealed official pricing yet, estimates suggest a starting price of around $22,000, which is slightly higher than the outgoing Forte. This range should make the K4 one of the most affordable cars in Kia's lineup. Expect the price to climb as you add more features and performance. Trims like the GT Line and GT Line Turbo, packed with tech and a sportier suspension, are estimated to top out nearly $30,000.